Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been so long. COVID-19 has been taking over. Today's look, I decided to call it Summer Vibes, which is why you see all these colors. I figured why not get a pop of color in there to kind of raise everyone's spirits during this tough time. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below and share with your friends. Get some more subscribers down there. Any comments, leave below. Any ideas, I'm all open to that stuff. Hope you guys enjoy this video. As you can see, I already did my foundation today, so I'm just going to show you the eye look. And I will be using the Zulu by Juvia's makeup palette today. So stay tuned and keep watching. Hope you enjoy. I'm going to conceal my eyes with my NYX HD concealer. First color I'm going to use is the purple color in the bottom right corner of this palette to do the corner of my eyes. I went in on this purple color a couple times just to make sure I got that purple to pop, make it a little brighter. My second color will be the teal color that's in the center left corner of the palette, and I'll be putting that one in the center of the eyelid. My third color is going to be the really pretty pink that's in the bottom center corner of the palette. Putting that one in the inner corner of my eyelid. I went over each of the colors a second time just to make sure they all blended well together, so it doesn't look all completely uniform, even though it kind of looks uniform, but you get what I mean. For the very inner eye, I went in with the really beautiful bright green shimmer, and I dabbed that in the little crease there just to give it a little sparkle. For the under eye, I went in with the same teal green color I used on the center of my eyelid. I'm applying my eyeliner with my Almay liquid eyeliner in the color black. My favorite YouTuber, It's My Ray Ray, brought back the dots under the eyes, so I thought I'd try them out in this video today. For lashes, I'll be using one of my Beauty Shop lashes. I guess one of the thickest ones they have in there. I figured why not go for a crazy look. And I'm applying my Duo Lash Glue to apply these lashes. These were a lot easier to apply this time around. The lashes are a bit thicker than normal, and they stuck to the glue pretty well, so I really do like that about these. I'm going to go ahead and speed up for the next eye, just so y'all can see what it looks like after it's done. Felt like I was running a race just now. Anyway, here's the last lash and getting ready to do that blush. I went in with Neo and Zane for today's blush. I probably made it a little bit too pink, but this look is supposed to be fun, so I'm just gonna run with it. I'm using my lip liner Flawless from ColorPop Cosmetics. I'm pairing that with my FentyBeauty Gloss Bomb in the color Confetti. using the Fenty Beauty Sandcastle Killawatt Foil Highlighter just to dab a little shimmer on my lips. This is also the same highlighter I used for my cheeks and my nose as well. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. It was a lot of fun to create. You know, it's summertime. I know things are hard right now, but you know, why not have fun with the makeup looks? Take a couple pictures, post on the gram, all the good stuff. Like, comment, subscribe below. I will see y'all next time. Bye.